Good morning, gems of our KVS Uppercombe School. I hope all are you fine. Okay, students, myself Meena. I am your SS teacher. Today I will teach you about the second chapter of history. The chapter name is The New King and Kingdoms. Let's be started. First of all, I give the video of this chapter. I hope you understand the chapter. And now I give the main points of this chapter. First of all, the chapter name is The New King and Kingdom. The name defines itself. New kings, it's mean in this chapter we study about the mainly how to come new kings from given reasons and how to spread their kingdoms. Okay, the main points of this chapter. Firstly, I give the introduction of this chapter. In this chapter, we are mainly study about these subtopics such as the emergence of new dynasty, how to come new dynasty from the Samantas. Okay, bachcho. The administration was carried out in the kingdom. And third is prestige and land grants. 4. Welfare of wealth, in which we study about the three struggles, Muhammad Ghori, Ghazni and etc. Okay, students, and fully study about the Cholas, where they come, how they spread their dynasty. Okay, student, in which we study of the kingdom, how to make temple, what type of material used for making temple, what type of agriculture, and the most important is in Cholas is irrigation, the method of irrigation. Okay, at administration we all study about these subtopics. Okay, first of all, today I will teach you about the emergence of new dynasty, how new dynasty come from. The some important facts of this chapter is that dynasty started from the 7th century to 12th century, mainly 7th century and 8th century the new dynasty come from. Okay, students. Okay, our first topic is the emergence of new dynasty. Okay, student, this is the new king and lord. First of all, king has under Samantas. Samantas has given reason, and Samantas main work to collect taxes. They collect taxes from the given reason. Okay, sometime the king, landlords and warrior chief use mainly some own title such as Mahadhiraj, Tribhavna, Chakravarti. The Chakravarti means the god of three worlds. Three worlds means Prithvi, Prithvilok, Patal and Swarglok. Okay, student. So we study about the landlord has Samantas. Samantas are those people which is under the landlord and work for collection of taxes and given to landlord or form of gifts, money, lands, give all military sports. As Samantas gain power and wealth, they declared themselves as a Mahasamanta. The main aspects of this chapter is that Samantas how to come Mahamandaleshwara Mahasamanta by the power and wealth, and then they feel from the landlords and then become a new king and make a new dynasty. In this chapter we all study about the new dynasties. Okay, students, we read about that. First of all, the king has under Samantas, and Samantas has under given region and collect taxes. Then they get more and more money and become the Mahadhiraj and make our new dynasty. Okay, students. Such as example, who become the new king from the Samantas. For example, Chalukyas in Karnataka, landlord has under Samanta Rashtrakutas. Rashtrakutas change in new king. Name is the king is Danti Durga. By the ritual is Hiranyagarbha. Hiranyagarbha is a ritual done by the Brahmins to become a Shastriya, because become a landlord, become a king, you should be a Shastriya. So become a Shastriya. The ritual done by the Danti Durga is Hiranyagarbha. Okay, the Hiranyagarbha means the golden bulb. Okay, and other example is Harichandra in Rajasthan and the Kadam Maheshwaran in Karnataka. They also are a Brahmins, and Brahmins means to they worship. No, they become Kshatriya. They use tools and for making our new dynasty. Okay, students. Today we study only introduction of the chapter. Okay, and first is emergence of new dynasty, how new dynasty kingdoms come from, how Samantas become a new king. Okay student, and other example of this अदर देन नेक्स्ट वीडियो में आगे के सब टॉपिक्स पढ़ेंगे हम, जिसमें हम एडमिनिस्ट्रेशन ऑफ कैरी आउट बाय द किंगडम्स एंड प्रशस्ति एंड लैंड ग्रांट्स के बारे में अच्छे से पढ़ेंगे। आपको इन नोट्स को अच्छे से लिखना है, इनको अच्छे से राइट करना है, शुड बी लर्न इट। टुडेज वर्क इज़ ओनली दिस सब टॉपिक्स इन योर नोटबुक and learn the Samantas work. Okay.